Hey y'all, this is Rochelle and welcome back to my channel, Rochelle's Plans. Thank you for joining me for another video, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So y'all, first let me just say it's great to be back filming not a Plan With Me video, but to be filming videos again. If you are a subscriber and a follower of mine, you know that I have been posting videos here more recently, but they've been like fragrance videos, reviews and hauls and things like that. So I have been posting videos, but they were not like this type of video. They were of fragrance and perfumes. But this video here is going to be an unboxing of a planner type product. So let's just go ahead and get into it. But first, before I unbox this, let me just give you a little bit of background. So this is from Soul Mama Rituals and Crafts. And Mira from Soul Mama reached out to me over on Instagram and just want to see if I would like a chance to review one of their latest products. And I told her that yeah, I'd be interested. And then she sent over the product. So Soul Mama is a small business that creates high quality budget binders to help people achieve their money goals. They're on Amazon and they do everything in-house, from product design and development to customer service, from their small business team that's based out of California. I also will have a 10% affiliate link if you guys decide to check out their products. All right, and I probably will try to do some B-roll, insert some B-roll to show y'all what they have or what's listed over on Amazon, okay? If I can figure that out, then I'll insert B-roll to show y'all some of what they have, either B-roll or what is it called, a screen recording. Yeah, this is their new budget A6, no, their new Butterfly A6 budget binder. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Oh, and so thank you again, Mira, for sending me this over to review. And I know I'm a little bit behind, just had some things going on, but here we are. So inside, if I can pick this up, so here is the thank you card that you get with your order. All right. So we're gonna put this over to the side. Is this mine? Okay, let's see. Let's see what all we get, what all she sent me. Okay, y'all, we're gonna look at that later. So you've got some savings challenges here. Ooh, I've been needing some more savings challenges. Oh, y'all, let me just tell you. So I do have, I say so much. I do have a budget channel as well. It's called Rochelle Budgets, and I will be uploading more videos over there also. Yeah, I just had to get my bearings. I just had to take a break after Raylan graduated in December, Ryan graduated in May, then summer hit. Y'all, I just needed some time off, and here we are. Okay, so this is a $200 savings challenge. And it looks like this is a star, but I'm assuming every time that you complete this, you would color in one of the points here. And then once you color them in, it will be $200. So is that 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 of those. And it says, girls just want to have funds. And then she sent over some budget sheets. Now you can put these in your budget binder. And what you do is up top here, you have the categories. So if you want to save for, I don't know, I had a savings for cheer. Then you put your starting balance, and then every time you add money, you put the date, the description, the amount, and then the balance. Now in the amount section, you will put whether you added or subtracted, added or took away from that binder, and then you put your balance here. And then the back is just plain. So she sent, I don't know, maybe that's 20 of those. Okay, these are rose gold. I love the rose gold. So it says vacation, loan, kids, dine out, clothing, insurance, groceries, food, school, and miscellaneous. Then it says personal, emergency, insurance, rent, debt, savings, pet, birthday, shopping, and utilities. Allowance, medical, beauty, gifts, gym, date night, splurge, home, goals, and gas. So what you can do with these are put these on the budget envelopes, on your envelopes, okay? I don't think I want to do that on camera because I don't want to mess up. And then when I'm doing setting up or putting new labels on, I have to get close, get my face close to the actual product so that I can make sure that I'm not, or make sure that I'm putting it on correctly. But you know what? I guess I could go ahead. Maybe that's on the inside. I guess I could go ahead and put one on here. So let's do, oh, there's 2 insurance. I like the font of these. I don't know what this font is, but I'm sure that it tells on the site when you go to her site. So let's see. And these are the envelopes here. I like the fact that, because my budget envelopes are just, they're like this. They don't have a flap closure, but these here you can close them and you can put them in your binder. So let's see. Let's just put emergency on here. I hope I am in the center. We're just gonna do it. And I have undo that if I need to take it up or remove it, then I can. Okay, that's somewhat centered. And then look here, if you want to put a savings challenge in here, the savings challenge, look how much room you have. It fits in there perfectly. And then you would just close it like this. And there you go. So now, let's see, how many of these did she send? So that's 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, so 10 envelopes, okay? And you know what I like about these here is that you can put these on and take them off yourself. So sometimes, say for instance, we may want to add a different category, but if you purchase envelopes and they already have, because a lot of times when you purchase budget envelopes or cash stuffing envelopes, they come with the vinyl already on the envelope. So you're actually stuck with that envelope that says that category on it. These here allow you the opportunity to change them out at your will or at your leisure. So say for instance, you're not gonna do emergency, whatever it is, whichever one, you're not gonna do that anymore or contribute to that one anymore. You can change them out and take this off and put another one on here. You can put maybe savings on there or allowance, okay? So this is the butterfly. This is an A6 butterfly budget binder. And you can see here how it has a little gold glitters on here. It looks like it's iridescent. Can y'all see that? It has the silver hardware, which goes great with these butterflies here. Okay, and so we're just gonna open it up. So you open it up. There we go. That is really sturdy. So we're gonna put these in. I'm gonna put all of them in. Now I'm not going to label or set this up. I'm just going to put these in. I'm not going to set these up on camera because I don't know what categories I want to have on the envelopes. I'll do that later once I figure that out. And if you guys followed me, then I already have a budget system, but I do need to revamp it because my daughter has gone to college now. My middle daughter, Ryan, has gone to college now, and so I don't have the cheer expense anymore. But I was going to say I don't have senior year anymore. However, my son is now a junior, and I need to start saving, or we need to start saving for his senior year. We already placed the order for his senior class ring. And y'all, that came like the first week of school. I was like, they don't waste any time, do they? And we wasn't expecting it. And I was like, it's that time already? And yes, it is. Because I remember Raylan and Ryan, we did their senior or class ring orders their junior year because they do a ring ceremony in December. Okay, y'all. So here is the binder. Like I said, I don't know what I'll use this binder for, but I love how vibrant these butterflies are. Look at the color. And if y'all hear that, that is the air conditioning unit. It's right here by the window. Okay, so y'all, that is what this looks like. Like I was saying, I'm not going to set this up because I don't know what categories I want to put in here, and I don't know what I want to dedicate this binder to because like I said, I do have other binders, but I need to revamp my whole entire system. So y'all, again, I'll have everything linked in the description box below, so that way you can check out Soul Mama Rituals and Crafts. Again, in the description box of the video, I will have everything linked. It'll include my affiliate link, which will allow you to save 10% off of any order. I also will have the link to the Amazon shop. But yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Playing with Richelle. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.